Grayson, don't act up, okay? Right over there. Yeah, right over there. Grayson, get the mask on. Get your freaking mask on.